Hi, my name is Johan from Frederique Constant Europe, Managing Director. I'm here to present to you the Geneva Watch Days launch for Frederique Constant. Frederique Constant is a brand that was created in 1988, so a young brand which created a lot of innovations. Among these innovations, we have the new Perpetual calendar that we launched during Watches and Wonders 2025. And this is the new variation of the calibre. We extended the power reserve, 72-hour power reserve, new size, 40mm case, yellow gold.
And what is very special about the Perpetual calendar, the movement and everything?
Okay, so the movement is really special. First, it's super complicated to create, to produce, to have a qualitative manufacture caliber. Took 6 years of development. You have also a watch that can show you the date, the day, the month, and the year, which is quite unique. In terms of value, we have different, let's say, collection. We have the stainless steel and the gold one. We are the only one in the watch industry that can propose a perpetual calendar at below 10K. This is just an exclusive piece below 10K.
So that means it's become affordable to potentially millions of people, potentially.
Potentially, yeah, I would say, because the purpose of Frederique Constant is the accessible luxury. Let's say we democratize the haute horlogerie. This one, of course, is a piece that is more high-end, 18 karat gold and yellow gold with onyx dial, 37 pieces limited worldwide, and the cost of this one is a bit below 30K, which is a price, but compared to the competition, this is one of the most affordable ones.
Only 37?
Only 37 pieces worldwide, already all pre-booked.
And what do we see on your wrist there?
On my wrist, you see another variation. So this is the stainless steel one with the salmon dial, not limited, but below 10K. This was the launch of Watches and Wonders 2025.
And how is it going with the, if you can say, like, how popular is it right now? How good is it going with the sales of this one?
So first, Frederique Constant, as I said, is a manufacturer brand. We have 30 calibers. This is going very well. Why? Because let's say in terms of perception, below 10K, you will never have this type of complication. So this is something quite unique that can attract watch collectors and enthusiasts, or bring into the watch industry new generation that want to learn about the watches.
Maybe you can take this one off and just explain a little bit more, because, for example, I see a moon on there, and
so
to explain
perpetual
what people
calendar,
get from it.
You get perpetual calendar. You get first the power reserve. It's 70.
If you can hold a little bit higher.
Yeah.
Sorry, okay.
So you get first. Okay, what you can see, it's 72-hour power reserve, which is quite very good for a watch. You have the moonphase here. You have here the date. You have the day. And in this list, you can find the month, but also the year. We are working with, let's say, a Gregorian calendar with 4 years. You have the first, the second, the third, and the fourth, which is the leap year. And this watch is quite exceptional because only with the wheels, you have, let's say, a smart watch, okay, in the watch industry, that can say, okay, it's the 28th of February, we should go directly to the 1st of March without any other settlements. So this is just amazing as a caliber.
And 72 hour, it's quite long.
Yeah.
Power reserve. You show a little bit here the movement.
Yeah, so here you can see the movements. So you have this movement that we created. The first one, we created it in 2016, okay? During a leap year was the first movement we created, and the second one is the new one with the 72 power hour reserve. And we kept also the 4 Hertz frequency, which is quite very good.
And here are some different components.
Yeah.
So can you talk a little bit about the brand? As I understand, you're part of a bigger group,
yes.
Right?
So we are part of Citizen Group. which is one of the biggest watch group in the world. Part of this group, we have, of course, Frederique Constant, but we own also La Joux-Perret, the movement manufacturer based in La Chaux-de-Fonds. We have also the brand Citizen, the Miyota movement company. So this is really a global group that bought Frederique Constant to be able to develop a Swiss luxury brand.
And the La Joux-Perret is very famous in the industry?
Yeah. La Joux-Perret was one of the most famous manufacturers before, and now they are coming again under the spotlight. They created new movements like the G100 that can equip now a lot of brands. Frederique Constant is launching with this movement a novelty also this year with a price very competitive at 2095 euro.
2095. And everything, I see the office in Geneva, right?
No. Frederique Constant, yes, in Plan-les-Ouates in Geneva. La Joux-Perret is at Le Chaux-de-Fonds, and of course Citizen is based in Tokyo.
And the Geneva office, how many people work there and what do they do?
It's like, it depends, but it's between 150 and 200 people that they work here. And of course, we have a lot of subsidiaries in the world that can increase this amount.
Is the brand growing?
Yes, the brand is growing. First, the brand is not major. So we have a lot of possibilities to increase the market shares. And what is very good is that the brand stayed really competitive as we didn't increase our prices.
And if I was doing this complication with a much more expensive brand, what could it be, the price potentially for, you say it's sub 10K?
The price could be from 15 to 100K.
All right, cool. And there's all these new movements, new projects going on in the future.
Of course, we will not stop here. A lot is coming. Of course, it's completely secret, but let's catch up during the Watches and Wonders 2026. You can have a very good surprise.
So now it's become the best time to buy an electric car, the best time to buy a Tesla. This is a 2013 Model S with free supercharging. It's just 12,000, maybe 13,000, depends exactly on the configuration. That's including free shipping to anywhere in Europe.